Hello, Faiza.
Hello.
Welcome back. Uh, I'm so sorry. I was from the toilet, so yeah,
Yeah.
I took your time. Okay. How are you, Faiza?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
How about your school? Mm-hmm.
Preparing for exam.
Preparing for exam.
Yeah.
How did you do the school, Faiza? I mean, like, we are in the crisis situation, the
Yeah.
demonstration, I mean. So, how did you do the school? From home or?
Um, at
Oh,
Monday to Tuesday, I
okay.
school at home, and
Mhm.
today, um,
You
I
go to
go.
this. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, offline. All right.
Yeah.
So, is the action nearest with your place, Faiza?
What?
Is the action, I mean, the demonstration near with your place?
There was no demonstration. Yeah.
What? I couldn't hear you.
Oh, there is no demonstration near.
Near your place?
Yeah.
Oh, but you're from Jakarta, right?
Hmm. Oh, Tentang Selatan.
What? Tangerang Selatan?
Ya,
Oh, no, something like that there, Faiza?
what?
No, no demonstration.
No, no.
Oh, okay. Nice place.
And
Okay.
my teacher said, eh, mana ini demonya udah libur nggak ada demo.
Oh, okay. Wow. But you're serious? No demonstration?
No,
Oh my God. Tangerang Selatan is quiet.
ya,
Okay, Faiza. And let me give you something, Faiza. First, before we start your meeting, I need to give you a coins, okay? But before that, this is kind of the situation that I can give you the coins, okay? The criteria. So first, you follow the rules. Could you see?
ya, I can say it.
So first, you follow the rules, like you mute your mic if it doesn't need. But it's okay because this is private class. You can keep open your mic. But if you have a noise, like maybe noise, Faiza, I recommend you to mute the mic. Okay.
Okay.
And if you on your camera, of course, but if you get a trouble like technical things, yeah, this is not needed. And yeah, no noise and polite. I'll give you 10 coins and arrive on time and actively to participate when the learning is uh, going on. And then if you have a project, you can finish the project before the next meeting and then initiate to take a competition and of course finish the competition or the project. And if you kind of uh, reschedule in a month, I'll give you 40 coins. Okay, Faiza?
Okay.
And also, if you have, if you win a competition in IT field or math, You can tell me and I'll give you 300s, but not me actually. Algonova's team. And the second place and third place. And also if you join Algonova's competition, because periodically Algonova has competition. So I'll give you, if you win the game, first place 200 coins, second 150 coins, and the third place is 100 coins. And
And
then mhm.
how do I get information for the internal competition?
Oh well, yeah, that's tutor your tutor task. I mean, like if Algonova launch a launches a competition, so tutor needs to share to its student, their students, like me to you.
Okay.
Okay, but now no competition. It's just for math, and it will launch at yeah 5th September, I guess. Yeah, it's Friday. That's for math. Okay, and then what uh can you buy with that coins? You can buy something like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, Faiza?
Okay.
And have I explained to you this stuff?
Mm,
No?
I think in exclusive tutorial video creating in
Oh,
Scratch
oh, okay, okay.
and online certified algorithm specialization. Wait, what's this?
Yeah, this is online certificate algorithmic special student award. And if you prepare player, you can also get 355 diamonds with 740 coins and Robux and Netflix subscription and Disney subscription. Okay, Pfizer, that's all. That's all for today. Okay. Uh Now let's get started then, Pfizer. Okay. Today we'll talk about how you can solve a problem or this is to sharp to sharp your problem solving. Okay, Pfizer?
Okay.
Okay, so uh, we'll talk about concise code first, and then what is concise code? It's like op, yeah, optimum code. Okay, and why we need that? Because as a programmer, we need to think efficiently, of course. Okay, now let me show you what is concise code in short. So in the last meeting, Paiza, you've learned about this, right? So if you have maze1 as your first variable and you use input function, now you need to change it. If you want to change it into a number data type or integer, you need to say maze1 is equal to int maze1, right, Paisa?
Right.
Okay. Have I told you this stuff, Paisa? The int and the input?
I think the INT
The, oh, the input, I never talked about that.
on the ENT I think you never talk
Oh,
that.
oh, oh, I never talked about int.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Seriously? Let me explain to you then. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. So what is int function, Paisa? So int function is explanation. Okay. So what is int function, Paisa? So int function basically is a function for converting your data into an integer. Okay. And now what is an integer? That's a number. Why do we need that? Because let's say you have something like price, Paisa, and you use input function, okay? And you say
Okay.
enter your goods price. Oops. Let me change the quotation. Colon. And then you want to make it the total price is equal to, because you have discount, let's say 30%, it means you will purchase just 70%. 70 times with the price. Okay? Oops. With the price. Now, if you say print the total amount you should purchase is total. Now, if you run the code, you'll see something like this. Let's say 10,000. Yep, it says cannot multiply sequence by non-integer upload. Well, do you know why is this error, Paiza? Mm-hmm. You know the why?
Because
It's because
mm, dia tidak bisa
it can't multiply
can multiply a string.
string. Exactly right. You're right about it. It means that the price is string, right? But
Yeah.
we have been entered a number here. Why it's not a string? Well, because input function, remember, will always produce a string. Now, to change the price into a number, you need to say price. You can use INT function or float function like this. Okay? Now, this is what will happen. 100. So you just need to pay 70 or 100,000. You just need to pay $140,000 maybe. Okay, Paiza, you
Okay.
got it.
Got it.
Now, concise code basically want to make this stuff, in one line or make it concise, ringkas. Okay. Now, how do how do I how do you do that? Okay, Paiza. Nice question. You just need to say remove these lines and then you need to add the INT in here, Paiza. Like this. So this is allowed. Ini diizinkan. And then it's pretty same. Like that, Paiza. You got it?
Got it.
So this is kode ringkasnya, the concise code. Okay. Now if you have or meet something, okay, like this, it means that it will execute the deepest. Okay, something deeper. Jadi fungsi yang akan dieksekusi pertama itu yang lebih dalam. Artinya apa? In this case, it will execute the input function first, Paiza. And after that, behind the scene, remember that, behind the scene, it will convert the output of your input function or the result of your input function into an integer number. Okay? You got it?
Got it.
Okay. That's concise code, Paiza. Now, the second thing I want to talk about len also, you can concise the len or something with input function. I mean, like, let's say you have a problem and then the problem like this, Paiza. Input something like this. Input and then you want to count. It's not, let me change it. Feedback is equal to input. Let me know your feedback. Colon. And then let's say you want to count how many characters do you have in this feedback variable. You can use like this, right? You can say print the number of characters are like this, Paisa. Now you can create something like this, right, Paisa? Uh, total character, right? Char is equal to len using len function and then feedback, right, Paisa? Okay. And then you need to say total car, right? And then you'll see something like this. Blah 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 blah. Aha, you have 38. Okay, Paisa? Now the question is, could we make it shorter? Apakah bisa lebih pendek? Yes, you could. How would you do that? You just need to put the len here. Len, oops, the len here, and then you need to call the feedback. So you can remove this right now, and then you'll see, aha, it's pretty same. Or the second way is you do not want to make or put the len function in the first because you want to make the input function authentically. So you can do it in here, len like this, without create a variable. You copy? You got it, Paisa?
Got it.
Okay. Now the next thing I want to explain to you is about if you want to create a concise code, Paisa, you need to consider your code, the readability of your code. Keterbacaan kodenya. Okay? Just like this. Let's say you want to print something, Paisa. You do not want to make it in, you just want to make it in one line. So you need, you create something like this. Input and let me know about your code like this, Paisa. And then you kind of, you know, do the len function. Len like this. Or you can do it like this. This is the length. Aha, Paisa. So ini bagus. This is good, Paisa. But it's not, recommended. Kenapa, Paisa? Could you tell me? Let me know about your code, blah, blah, blah. And then it will count. Yeah, let me know about your code again. And it will count something like this. It's nice, Paisa, but this is not recommended because, Paisa, ini tidak terbaca. Keterbacaannya itu sangat terbatas. We do not want to do something like this. I mean, like, if you consider to create a short code or a concise code, you need to consider also the balance of your code readability and your code nice to see. I can say something like that. You know what I mean, Paisa? Okay? You got it?
Got it.
Okay. And the last thing is you can do something like this in code, Paisa, if you want to make something like we call it as a code formatting, and then that we call it as a command or komentar in Indonesia. So what is command? This is a string in a program that is not viewed by the interpreter. So what is interpreter? Interpreter itu adalah sesuatu yang menerjemahkan kode ini. Yang dia melihat sesuatu itu dengan angka saja. So when you say print Paisa like this, oops. So your computer didn't see print Paisa. Okay? Your computer doesn't see Paisa or print. Jadi apa yang dilihat komputernya kalau gitu? Yang dilihat komputernya, it will be convert into binary signal. 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, Paiza?
Okay.
Something like, and we call it as a binary
And
signal. Okay, this is to do this, I mean from this to this, you need to use interpreter. I mean, ya Python punya interpreter gitu untuk menerjemahkan dari sini ke sini. Something like that. Okay?
okay.
Now, what is command? So command basically it's something that your interpreter will be ignored. Itu akan diabaikan sepenuhnya. What is that? Let's say you want to create something like this. Print I am a a bat, maybe a bat in no. I want to be a great coder. Uh-huh. So when you want to command or when you want your interpreter ignore this line, you can add the comment sign that is a hashtag. Okay, Paiza? And you'll
Okay.
see a green line like this. Now, if you run the code, it's just print the first line and then it completely, okay, ignore the third line. Okay, Paiza? And the short way to do that, you can do it the command with control and garis miring, forward slash. And then you'll see something like this. And then also if you want to uncomment, you can do it with control and forward slash. Okay. And if you have more than one line and you want to command it, let's say you have an instructions for that. I need to create a variable. So command more many variables, commands, Paiza, you can also use that to create a hint or instructions. Oke, okay? Jadi kayak petunjuk untuk kita. Nah, kayak ini nih. I need to create a variable. If you run this code, your interpreter will say, oh, bad input. I don't know what you mean because it's not Python syntax. Now, if you want to make it as instruction, you need to use command and then that will be fine. Okay. Now, let's say you have variable name is equal to Paiza and then age is equal to, let's say, 18 and then course is equal to Python Pro. Okay. Now, Paiza, if you want to make apa namanya uncommon sekaligus, okay, untuk komentar sekaligus, you can block the line that you want to comment and then hit control and forward slash. And then this is what will happen. And if you want uncomment them, you can hit the same button. Now, do you
Control and
what? Control and slash, forward slash. CTRL. Okay, you got it?
Got it.
Do you have question, Paisa? That's all. No question?
I can. Yeah.
What is that?
Not.
Not yet? Okay. Now, I wanna give you an example to solve the problem. Okay, which one? Paisa, this one, or this one? Olympiad also, that's fine. This is just documentation. Which one? Let me show you how to solve a problem. You can choose.
I think number 2.
Number 2. There we go. This is too easy. Too easy. Just fix the bugs. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay, Paisa? We need to optimize the code. Okay. So it says vacation payment. Okay, this is vacation calculator program. Make sure the more concise so it's easy to read and the result should be as the picture. Okay, and then the what is this? Almost less than 6 lines. Okay, so we have month salary. You can remove this, Paisa, and then you can block this and then add int. Okay, and it's pretty same with the vacation int. Okay, now you had a hint here. The month is the average number of days in a month. Okay, now if you have something like this, it's not less than, it's pretty same or equal with 6. Now you need to remove one variable then. What is that? Well, you can remove this variable or this variable actually. It depends on you. Okay, let's remove this variable maybe. Okay, Paiza?
Okay.
29.3. Okay, so you need to change it into 29.3. Yeah, that's all. And then you run the code, 0, 1. Oops. Daily salary. Oh, it's salary. It's not separate. Okay. 1, 1. Ta-da! Like that. Okay. The other number that you want to, I will give you an explanation and example. Or it's enough?
Now,
Enough?
actually, I want question.
What?
Um, how many function
How many functions?
it can put on variable?
Uh, what do you mean? How, how many functions? You mean, oh, berapa banyak yang bisa kita taruh di sini?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, well, it depends on you. I mean, and you should be able to understand that not everything cannot be nested, cannot be concise. Like what? Like this, Paisan. You know print function, right?
Yeah.
You know well about print function. Let's say you want to print your name, Paiza. Paiza. Okay. And it's like you know, make it into variable like name is equal to, and then you want count it like this. Well, this is not allowed, Paiza. And then print name. Okay. Why? It's because print function doesn't return a value. Ini tidak mengembalikan nilai, dia hanya menampilkannya sekali doang nilai ini. Kalau input function dia mengembalikan nilai. Kita akan berbicara itu nanti lebih dalam, tenang aja. Oke? Okay? But so far you can nest it. Paiza bisa menyarankan sampai 3 fungsi. Atau kalau Paiza punya fungsi itu bisa disarankan 3 kali. Ya ada kok contohnya. Bentar. Kalau nggak salah ada contohnya di sini. Wait, where are you? Wait, what? Nah ini nih. Ini contoh yang lain juga. B-nya disarankan 2 kali. Ya, bisa nggak naruh input? Bisa. Ya, Paiza. Jadi maksudnya gimana? Maksudnya begini. Misal Paiza maunya name or salary is equal to INT dulu, kemudian float, kemudian input. Boleh ya, selama mereka semua mengembalikan nilai. Oke?
Okay.
Oke. Anything else? Question? Wait.
What is float?
Float is decimal number. Float number. Like this. Maybe you have salary is 100. Now, if you want to make it in a float, print float. celery, dia akan ada komanya nanti. Tada!
Oh,
Like that. That's float.
oke.
You got it?
Got it.
Nice question. I like the way how you cast me, Faiza. Okay, I think it's your turn because, yeah, I'm so sorry. It's 31 minutes. Come on, Faiza. You can share your screen. Let's do it together.
So there's turbine things. Yes, that's right. You need to keep a balance between short and the cut. Um, it's mm, yeah.
Okay.
Program believe that the shorter the cut, the it is. Program must be like the shorter the cut.
Are you sure? The shorter the code, the better it is, Faiza.
Mm,
It will make the second statement false, right, Faiza?
yeah.
Yeah, so it's not true.
And connection I can embed the can be if it turns out the result of its work.
Ya, jadi maksudnya kalau Faiza bisa menaruh apa namanya B itu bisa ditaruh di dalam A kalau B itu mengembalikan nilai,
Oh,
something like that.
transaction that return and do not return value can set in its
No, it cannot be nested. Nggak bisa ya. Kalau yang tidak mengembalikan nilai kayak print itu nggak bisa Faiza taruh. Oke, Faiza?
okay.
That's I said nice question.
Next,
Oke. Price
why? Mau siapa sih? Hmm. Why? Wait, no, kok nggak bisa dipencet sih? Aneh lah keyboardnya. Wait, oke.
the cost of the trip. Come on, Faiza. Is your keyboard okay, Faiza?
I think not okay.
Not okay.
Dia kadang apa bisa dipencet kadang enggak.
Are
Ya,
you gamer, Faiza? Are you gamer? I mean, like to play game.
iya,
I think it's because of that, right? I mean, like you you kind of frequently use the same keyword, the same button.
iya. But sometimes
Sometimes.
hmm, dia tuh apa bisa gitu.
Oh, okay. Are you using external keyboard, Faiza?
Hmm,
No. Oh, this is your laptop, right?
ya,
Okay.
kalian bisa lagi.
So, how many siblings do you have, Faiza? Your siblings. How many brothers do you have?
Two.
Oh yeah. Now I remember that. What do you want to be, Paisa? Again?
Yeah.
You want to be cybersecurity or a software engineer?
I think cybersecurity.
Oh, okay. Oh, guys,
Oh,
I don't know where do you hear about cybersecurity? But it's like, yeah, most of my students, when I ask them, and it's also you, Paisa, they want to be a cybersecurity. Where do you hear them? I mean, the terms of cybersecurity. Where and where?
my mom say
They?
they say you can apa menjadi cyber security
Okay, okay.
about the trip. The problem to mistake this use of the structure. Oh, yeah. Feedback not feedback lower. Review length online. Oh, okay. Sesuatu contactable. Yeah.
What's wrong with line 3, Paisa? Where's the target? I mean, what? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. Inside the learn parentheses, you need to find, yeah, excuse me, you need to, yeah, feedback. You're right about it. Feedback. And then the last line, find terrible. From what? From what? Find terrible. From?
Feedback.
Yeah. So you need to say feedback dot find.
Feedback. Oh,
Yep. Feedback dot find. Did you remember what does find do for you?
dot. Oh, okay.
Did you remember that?
Ma.
The find will uh you know return index number for you. The first letter, the first index letter. Okay? Oh, I think you miss. Hmm. It's like this, Paisa. Let me show you.
Okay.
Oh,
Eh.
no, no. And on your screen, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me remote your screen. Hold on. Okay, punten. So let's say I have a name. My name. Oops. And I say my name is Paisa. Now, if you want to find the word Paisa, you need to say print from name. I want to find the word Paisa, right? Like this. And if the name, I mean, if this word exists in the name, it will return not -1. Okay. So
Okay.
if it's returning 11 like this, it means that, okay, the word Paisa start from the 11th as the index. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's right. Okay, Paiza? Now, something that you can do also, you can make the print function or the input function, combine it in with lower function like this, Paiza. Uh-huh. So you can do something like this, and you can remove this line. Uh-huh, like this. You can also do something like this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you can try the code, and then let's see. Checklist button, maybe.
Checklist.
Yep. Oh. Okay. You
Uh,
got it, Paisa? You got it? You wanna ask me something?
next.
Whatever. Don't worry. Uh-huh. So now you need to what? You need to make, I don't know. Oh, you need to make the code sorter. Okay.
Okay.
Less than 6 lines, Paisa. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. What will you do? Let's see.
Mm, ticket price. Wait, how do I?
You can block it and then, yeah, give them parentheses.
Ah,
Exactly right, Paisa. Yep.
okay. Ini kalau VS Code automatic.
Automatically, you're right about it.
Ya,
Plane ticket price. Ta-da! Congratulations, Paisa.
next. Write a program.
Aha. So now you need to write a
Poly
okay.
efficiency. And poly. What's this? Poly efficiency. 16. Okay.
Come on, Paisa. Train. Train's name. What should you do? If you have special case, the quotation is in the middle of the statement, the praise. You need to use? No, that's right. That's right.
Okay.
That's right. But, oh, no. I mean, trains.
Oh ya.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Now you need to change. Yeah, exactly, Paisa.
Lah bener tuh Ben.
What?
There is no error in my keyboard.
Oh, okay. Okay. It should be T before the R, Faisal.
Hmm? Oh yeah.
Yep, exactly. Okay. And then the second is number of required tasks. Exactly. Oops.
Ish. Wait.
You can remove them, all of that. Yep, exact. Oh, you missed the input. Yep. Oh, are you sure? You need to use print function, Paisa. Are you sure? It should be input, right? It's not print. Oh my god. I didn't see that. I'm so sorry.
What?
Yeah. So you cannot nasty print
Oh
function,
yeah.
Paisa. It's input.
I think there is no ENT because there is string.
Yes. Nice analysis, Paisa. I like that. Mantap, Paisa ya. Paisa jeli.
But s-
Number of. Okay. Additional task. You can say required task and additional task actually.
I
Yep. To yeah, to make it simpler. Yep.
yeah.
Exactly like that. What is it? Required? No, it's not what I meant. Oh my god. It's twice. Oh my god.
What?
Keep calm, okay? Keep calm,
Yeah.
guys. Okay. Number of additional tasks. Why do we need to use INT, Paisa? It's because,
There's a number.
yeah, exactly. It's a number. INT input
But
with tasks. Tasks. Okay. Now the next thing that you need to do,
what's this poly efficiency?
I think poly is the train's name, right, Paisa?
Yeah.
So you need to print train name and then comma dash efficiency comma 160.
What's this? Oh, wait.
Where is that number comes from, Paiza?
This
Where's the number coming from?
point. I think in this. Yes. Yeah. Point.
Okay, train name first. Train name, comma, quotation mark, dash, efficiency,
Dash.
dash is strip, dash is a strip, minus,
Oh,
efficiency,
this.
mm-hmm,
Oh, no.
comma,
F.
where 160 from, Paiza?
I think from this.
8 kali 15, berapa? 8 kali 5, 120. Oh yes, benar. So, required task times, yeah, you're right, Paiza. So, required task times 15 plus additional task times 20. Karena satu mandatory task itu kan 15 ya, Paiza. And
Yeah.
while additional task is 20.
Ah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Is that okay?
Wait.
20. There we go. Now you can run the code. I hope it works. Paiza.
Number of required tasks. 5.
Let's say you have many tasks. 20 tasks. Oh ya, yeah, 5, 10. Oke. Okay. Wow. Tugas wajibnya 5 ya. Additionalnya 10. Lebih banyak ya yang additionalnya. Oke. Okay. Itu oh ya, biasalah kalau expert memang begitu ya, Pak. Okay, let me give you the code for the number 7, Paiza.
Okay.
Because we have Hey, kita udah ngerjain belum itu? Oh, belum, Paiza. Tadi yang nomor
Belum.
2. Come on, Paiza. Let's solve that. I think it's feedback, right? Or whatever, actually, for the name.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How do you like the internship? Internship. Question mark.
If you learn.
Oh, that's the length of your feedback, Paiza. Oh yeah, you can print it. So print review length colon learn feedback, right?
Yeah.
I
Oh,
think you do
yeah.
not. Uh-huh. Okay. I want to see your idea. Print. Review length.
And
What will you do, Faiza? Yeah. Nice work, Faiza. Wait, what? Come on, Faiza. Length.
what?
Len what? Len has an
Oh yeah.
argument. Yeah.
Ah,
I think I, I think
oh,
you need to drink. Okay, nice, Faiza. Now the third line is finding close. Hmm.
what?
Alan.
This
Wait,
is
what is find? Oh, you need to find the word boring.
boring.
Okay, what will you do, Faiza? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ini bisa gitu.
What, Faiza?
It can. The
Uh,
function is right.
you need to provide from what? I
Oh,
mean,
oh,
uh-huh. And no. The inside its parentheses, you should provide the word that you want to find.
oh yeah, okay.
Mhm. It's yep. And don't forget, Paisa, it's a string. Remember that. If you
Right.
say that it's a variable, there we go. Yep. And then from where, Paisa? Don't forget that. From where you want to find that? From feedback, right? So you need to say before the no before the word find, you need to say feed. Yeah, exactly like that. Okay, that's pretty same with the last one. You can copy and paste it and change its phrase, I guess.
This.
Yep.
Ah,
Okay. Now you need to change the statement. Excuse me, the phrase search for advantages. It's not finding close. Close. Search for advantages. Oh. Oh. Wait.
oh,
What is that, Faisa? Oh my god.
what? Ah,
I'm so sorry. I think my brain isn't braining, but yeah,
ah,
advantages. Yep, advantages. All right, Faisa. Now the word is
oh,
cool.
okay.
There we go. Checklist and blah 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 blah. Oh,
Ah,
how do you like the intern? Doesn't work, Paiza.
what? Sure.
Hmm.
Wait,
Let's implement the lower function at the first line, Paiza.
first line.
Yeah, dot lower. Yep, maybe we need that.
What?
Dot lower. No. You write at the end. It should be at
Oh,
the end.
dot
Lower.
lower. Oh,
Yep.
here.
Parentheses. Don't forget, Paiza. It needs parentheses.
Mm.
You need to stop that first. There we go. All right. Oops. Okay, you can try that right now. Checklist. You haven't checklisted it. It should be no problem, Paiza.
Wait, I think my
You,
wait,
your what? No.
yeah,
How do you
find
like the internship?
search for advantage.
At oh, at at the pan. It should be at the pan.
Oh,
Yeah, nice, Paiza.
ah,
Wow, there we go.
okay.
Okay, last one, last one. Come on, Paiza.
Determine correctly with LENT.
Yeah, there are errors, of course. That one will be error, Paiza.
Error. Print land print.
Yeah, it will be error also.
What's this?
Yeah, that's not, no, it will be error. Yep. And len number, you couldn't do that because number has no len. It's just one number. Okay, Paiza?
Okay.
The case will be different if you put a string inside the len function. So println will get an error, Paiza.
Good find.
Okay, from the word good, you want to find the word good. Is it error or not error, Paiza?
Error. I think.
What?
Yes. I guess error.
Why?
Mm,
It's because
There was no.
no variable.
Yeah.
Well, if your variable has a string, it's pretty same, right, Paiza? I mean like the word good, if you assign it, kalau Paiza taruh dalam variable sama aja. Tapi kan sekarang case-nya you do not want to put it into variable, right? So that will be no error, Paiza. Exactly. And then the last one, yeah, because it's not a number. Remember, 1,500 it's a string because it has a quotation mark. So there's no error. There we go. Now you can try, Paiza.
Okay.
Okay, enough for today, Paiza. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Paiza. You can stop the screen sharing. And then, yep. Now, could you tell me, Paiza, what did we learn today?
Mm. We learn
Mm-hmm.
how to
How to?
mm, what
That's okay. Mm-hmm.
meringkas the code.
Oh, to
Yeah,
create concise code. Okay, you
concise
can
code.
say that. Okay. And then what else, Paisa? What else?
Mm, mm, What
I couldn't hear you.
what is the first my question about
The
oh
comment?
in
You
integer.
okay, the integer function.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. And then what else? The hashtag. What do we call it?
and hashtag uh
Call?
comment.
Command. Exactly right. So, Paisa, could you tell me why do we need to use concise code? I need the reason, of course.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
wait, what is concise?
Ringkas, ringkas.
Oh yeah,
Why
yeah.
do we need to meringkas code?
Because if
Mm-hmm.
programmer
The programmer.
we must yeah we must to concise the code.
Okay, exactly, Paisa. I like your answer. As a programmer, we need to consider, okay, to use the efficient code. Okay.
Yeah,
And remember, Paisa, is that true? The shorter the code, the better it is.
not
Why?
um because it must be terbaca ya.
Oh, yeah. So we should keep in mind that the readability of our code and its conciseness. Jadi keterbacaannya dan keringkasannya. Jangan ringkas saja tapi waduh, ini susah banget nih. Don't do that, Paisa, okay? Especially when you work in a team. Okay, Paisa?
Oke.
Okay, the last thing is I want to say thank you so much for being here, Paisa. And thank you so much for arrive on time. And thank you so much for your agileness, your answer, your question. I like the way how you express that. I like the way how you know, find the way from the manual way to the kind of the shortest way. That's nice, Paisa. Okay, that's how programmer thinks actually. Okay, and last I wanna say, yeah, if I have something like no clear explanation, I wanna say sorry and yeah, I wanna do my best in the next meeting, of course. Okay, Paisa?
Oke.
I'll see you in the next meeting. Nice.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Bye.
day. Bye bye.